Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Today I got a really nice 2013 Harley Davidson Tri-Glide I want to show you. This bike's got the 103 motor and a 6-speed transmission. It's in really nice shape, vivid black, the silver trim stripes. Looks like that just came off. I thought that was a little scratch, but you can see the front forks look real nice. Axle and all the hardware up here on the hub's good and clean. Lower leg fairings look good. Got the big heavy duty oil cooler back there. Excellent tire on the front. This fairing, lower leg fairing looks good. Been upgraded with this low profile sculpted type windshield. Got some extra storage down here in those lower leg fairings. Paint looks good on the tank. The seat looks good. Got an emergency brake down here. A lot of times there'll be some little rock pecks on the front of these rear fenders, but these look real good. Full on-board electronics from rider to passenger. It's right here. Somebody looks like they missed the keyhole there and put a couple of little scratches right by the lock. Looks like we got some goodies in here. Stereo helmet and headset. Looks like it's new, still in the plastic. Keys. Other stuff in here, manuals. It's got the chrome luggage rack back here. That's locked. That's enough storage in there. You can make yourself a nice little road trip. It's got the factory exhaust. Looks like that might be a couple of little spots right there, little rock pecks. Got AM, FM, CD player, CB radio, electronic cruise control, electric reverse, little cup holder there. Bike's got very low miles, 2,769 miles. We ran it through our shop. We have a full service department that we run our frontline bikes through, make sure they're ready for action. And this one is ready for the road trip. Qualifies for some excellent financing and extended warranty options. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. You can see our complete inventory of good, clean, used motorcycles at cleanharleys.com. We take almost anything in on trade. We sell and ship bikes all over the world, so it'd be easy to get this one to you. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.